my loves, how is everyone doing? I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and guys, today I am participating in a collaboration called Decorate a Lantern, and it's the fall edition. It's an open invite. It's freestyle, and I will be doing a DIY for you guys today. Now, the host of this collaboration is Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Lady Cinnamon, Glam Elegant Living, Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha, Decorating with Jazigreen, Penny's Lifestyle Living, Debby Bubbles, The Rodger's House, and Amethyst Adventure. And guys, if you don't know these ladies, please go check out their channels. They're very wonderful and talented creators, and tell them Geraldine sent you. Okay, I will have a playlist for you guys down in my description box. So guys, let's get into the decorating. Now right here, I'm just showing you some of the items that I'm going to be using. I might use them all, I might not use them all, but I'm just giving you a view of everything that I will be using. Look at these little cute, adorable scarecrows, guys. These are so adorable. I just love them, and I had to pick those up. And these little glitter maple leaves, I don't know if I'm going to use those or not. And right here we have these glitter vase fillers. I think they're so cute. They're in the brown and the gold color. And here I have two bowls that I picked up from Amazon. A little buffalo check. Guys, I am going for a farmhouse glam look. And this big bag of pumpkins, guys, I thought these were so adorable. They come in all different sizes. I picked these up off of Amazon as well. And look at this big white pumpkin. They are just in assorted sizes. So I'll be picking out which one I'm going to be using though for the project. So guys, first off, I'll be using my maple leaf picks. And I have 4 of them here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them together like so. And then I'm going to use the zip ties to tie them so they'll hold in place. And guys, I didn't tell you that the lantern that you see, I made this lantern in a video a couple years back. And I will make sure if you're interested in making one for yourself, because everything that I use is from the Dollar Tree for this lantern, everything. So if you're interested, I will make sure that I will leave a link in the cards above and in my description box below. So now that I have that all good and tied, I think I'm going to put 2 zip ties on here just to secure it and make sure that it stays in place. And guys, just to mention, if you like recipes and you know, you like vlogs of food, then please go over and check out my second channel called This Diva Can Cook Too. I will make sure that I leave that link to my channel in the description box below as well. I would love to have you join my family over there as well. Okay, so I am going to tie this pretty bow, and I think I'm going to put it like right in the middle of the maple leaves. And it has a little like tie thing on the back, so I can easily tie that on and twist it. Okay, so that's how it's looking. So now I will attempt to tie it to the top of the lantern with one of the Chanel stems, or you can call them pipe cleaners. I like to call them pipe cleaners. And here I'll just be straightening everything out and trying to make it look full, I will spread my maple leaves out, and I'm going to bend them and twist them so it will have that fuller look. Now I could have used more bunches of the maple leaves. I have 6 of them, but I just decided that I was just going to use the 4 and just fill in with all the other little items that I have. So I'm just trying to get it together and just straighten everything out, and like I said, make it look full. And now I'll be fluffing the bow. This is a wired bow, so I will just try to puff it up and make it look pretty. Now I could have made my own bow, guys, but I am not a good bow maker, so I just decided to just go and order it from Amazon. But if you're good at making bows, you can, get the ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and you can make your own bow to help save you some money. So yeah, just trying to put everything into place. Now I'll just be adding my other little items, which this maple leaf, I'm not feeling that, so I won't be using that. But these little leather pumpkins, they clip on, and I just love that they clip on. I don't have to glue them on. So I'll be doing that. And I think that looks pretty nice like that. But as you can see, I only used the 2. And of course I want to put my little scarecrow in here. I think this is just so super cute. And I'm going to stick him up at the top so he can be seen. And now I'm just adding those little glittered face filler little balls. And I'll just be putting them randomly and strategically on in different areas. So right here I'm trying to put them around to cover that chenille stem up with, so it won't be seen, kind of camouflage it. So I will be sticking those on all around there. And I think it's coming out pretty good, guys. I mean, this is my first time decorating a lantern. So I was really souped to do this, and I was so happy to do it. I challenged myself because I've never done it before. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try this. So I am so happy that I could get in on this collab. And now I'm just sticking those little buffalo check pumpkins inside, and I'm gonna put this candle inside as well. And I have my little fairy lights here. I love lights, guys, so I will be trying to tie them around somewhere in the lantern, around the candle, so to even give it more light. Guys, make sure you stick around to the end so you can get a view of how it looks at night when it's lit up. That's coming up at the end. And I'll stick another little pumpkin in there in the front. Guys, what do you think? I think this is just so super cute. For my first lantern, I think it turned out pretty well. What do you think? Guys, I would like to thank the host and all the co-hosts for this collaboration. It was really a nice challenge for me to do, and I would like everyone to go and watch the playlist so you can get some more amazing decorating for lanterns, guys, for 2022. Don't forget, if you're not a family member already, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And for my returning subscribers, for my already that's part of the Diva family, guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. And guys, I will see you in the next video. But remember, stick around to the end to get that nighttime view. Bye bye, my loves.
What?